Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HK10 Ultra 3 WF version. Now what that means is it comes with Wi-Fi 6 built into it, and you can also pair it with Bluetooth as well, and it also has Tik Tok pre-installed. You can also connect it to Wi-Fi and download free watch faces. So we are going to see how the Wi-Fi speed is, and the size is 49 mm. You also get two straps inside the box similar to HK10 Ultra 3, and I'm going to be comparing it with the HK10 Ultra 3 in the future video, so stay tuned for that. It is quite expensive actually compared to HK10 Ultra 3 because of a Wi-Fi connection, I believe. And let me just quickly open the box. So you can buy this from AliExpress, link is in the description. Seller is Zorving, and thanks to Zorving for providing us with this watch. So inside the box we get similar stuff like HK10 Ultra 3 quick start guide, which we don't need actually because it's very easy to pair these watches. So it's up to you if you want to read that. And here is our strap which we get for free. We get two straps actually. The other one is in orange color. You can order it in different colors. So here is our charging dock, and here is the watch. Now these watches are getting really good, and the body color is now looking very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. And I think they are going to make Apple Watch Ultra 2 black version. So here is the power button and crown key. On the left hand side we have action button and speaker grill, and the body looks really similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. I believe they already made a black version of previous HK9 series. So let me know in the comments down below if somebody has the black version, because the latest Apple Watch Ultra 2 comes in black color. So we are going to see if we get a similar copy of that version. So let me just quickly turn this on, and let's see if it has any juice in it. So I believe this is the power button, yeah. So the design is very similar to HK10 Ultra 3, and the sensors also look very similar to HK10 Ultra 3. But here is a different screen connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to be connecting it to my Wi-Fi and see if it works. So let me just quickly connect it to the Wi-Fi. But I don't see any 5G network, which is quite actually disappointing. Now let's check the user interface first, and then I'm going to talk about Wi-Fi speed and all of that. If we swipe from the top we get notifications. If we swipe from the bottom we get quick menu, and if we tap crown key you go straight into the menu. And I believe there is a slight speed difference compared to HK10 Ultra 3 when scrolling, but it is very minor difference. I will be comparing it with HK10 Ultra 3. So yeah, here is the watch face, looks very different, and as you can see the menu, we have Wi-Fi icon on the top, and if we tap on it, as you can see I'm now connected to my 4G network. Actually it does not show 5G network, which is very disappointing. I was hoping that we can connect to 5G network, but let's see, the 4G speed is not that great compared to 5G. And this watch face looks very good. And let me just quickly show you. If we go into settings, the smartwatch HK10 Ultra 3 WF model, system version is 1.0.5. so here is our new watch face, guys, and this one looks very nice. I believe it is not available in HK10 Ultra 3. This one also is a new watch face. The colors look really great, guys. It has amazing display. HK series has one of the best displays in my opinion if we talk about clone watches. So here is Snoopy watch face. This is also a new watch face. It has different animations if you tap on the screen. As you can see, looks very nice, and the bezel size is also very similar to Apple Watch Ultra 2. So let me just quickly show you another watch face. This one is the old watch face. Let's check this watch face. This one is my favorite watch face actually, and it looks very good on HK10 Ultra series. This one is also old watch face. This one I believe it is a new watch face. Let me know in the comments down below if you've seen this watch face previously. And this watch face is also available on HK10 Ultra 3 Gravity watch face. So yeah, it is a very nice watch face. Now this is the new one that comes in HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi version. If you tap on it, you can ask it for weather and everything once you are connected to Wi-Fi. And this watch face looks really nice actually. The animations looks very smooth. So I really like this watch face. But currently guys, I'm having issues with the Wi-Fi. So I connected to my hotspot on my iPhone actually. So let's quickly first check the heart rate sensor. And they really improved the heart rate sensor on HK10 series. Before, if you put HK9 series on the table, it will measure the heart rate. But now they put a really good sensor. As you can see, failed to measure, wear the watch. So if I put my fingers on the back, it will measure, which is a really good thing, because previously it was very annoying that if you put it on a table, it thinks that you are wearing the watch. And now it is measuring, as you can see. So the heart rate sensor is very good actually. So if we swipe on the right, we get sleep tracking, weather application, music application. It has 1 GB of storage, internal storage, so you can install some songs but not that much. You can also connect it to your TWS Bluetooth earbuds. And you can change the menu style by double tapping the crown key. It has a similar menu styles to HK10 Ultra 3, like grid view, waterfall view, list view, gravity sensing view. And the haptic feedback, I find it annoying in this version, especially because it is very loud, kind of. It makes a buzzing sound. I don't know if it's with my version, but it's not that great compared to HK10 Ultra 3. But the speed is a little bit smoother. It is a little bit smoother compared to HK10 Ultra 3. So yeah. But it is a lot expensive actually compared to HK10 Ultra 3. Here is the animation of sports mode, which is now looking very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. Here is the calendar application and activity mode. And the video player, we have some pre-installed videos as well. It's very bright actually, so I hope you can see it. Now let's open Tik Tok application and see how it works. So guys, after testing Tik Tok application, this is very disappointing actually. I'm really disappointed that you cannot even sign into your own account and you cannot even search for a new video. You cannot do anything instead of pause and play. You can just only pause and play the video, but you cannot sign into your account and you cannot search for a different video. You can swipe the video, but of course it's pointless actually. It should have been updated to a better version similar to HK Ultra 1 that has Android built into it. But this one you cannot do anything. See, if I tap anywhere, you cannot even like the video. So actually quite disappointing. And it also has always on display similar to HK10 Ultra 3. We have 6 themes. So it also has palm gesture. You can also download the games from the application market. And honestly guys, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, it is very slow in this version compared to HK1 Ultra. I don't know what they did with the Wi-Fi, but it is very slow. And mostly people are gonna buy it for Wi-Fi only, but I'm giving you my honest opinion. It is very slow. I don't know, it's something is wrong with my version, but I'm not 100% sure, because they are claiming it as Wi-Fi 6 in it, but you cannot even connect to 5G network, which is quite disappointing. So as you can see, the loading is taking so much time. I've tried to connect it with my other Wi-Fi network 4G version, and it was very slow on that. I cannot even load the marketplace. So yeah, you can download these type of games, but I prefer you can download directly from Wear Fit Pro application, so there is no need to use the Wi-Fi. Even though they are specifically advertising it as a Wi-Fi version, but the Wi-Fi version is very slow, guys, in this one. You can also download free watch faces from the dial market, similar to DT Watch Ultra, but DT Watch Ultra has better Wi-Fi connection in terms of speed and everything. So as you can see, still loading. And guys, really annoying, the speed is very annoying actually, and very slow. So these watch faces you can also download in Wear Fit Pro application. So I don't see the point of having it to connect to Wi-Fi. It will also gonna drain your battery quicker compared to Bluetooth. So let's just download a watch face. Let me quickly just pick a watch face. This one. So yeah, after a couple of minutes it is still downloading. And yeah, that's the thing, guys. If you are currently looking to buy this watch and you are thinking the Wi-Fi is going to be amazing, I'm 100% telling you guys the Wi-Fi is not that great in this watch. Especially now, currently it is not even loading the dial market. So yeah, I cannot recommend it only for Wi-Fi connection. And if you already buy the HK10 Ultra 3, there is no need to upgrade currently. I think they are going to fix the Wi-Fi. I'm not 100% sure because we are not receiving any updates, firmware updates. So if you already have HK10 Ultra 3, guys, there's no need to upgrade to HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi version, because there are no major changes and it is quite expensive compared to the original HK10 Ultra 3. If you like this video, guys, leave a comment down below, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel a lot. And thank you for watching my videos guys. I really appreciate it. And leave a comment down below which one you like. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, again, and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.